Pepe family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. At this point, everyone knows what's happening within the crypto space. A lot of manipulation as we did start off a brand new week. Obviously tariffs got announced, and of course manipulation on top, just not going hand in hand, and has really brought the market pretty much back to where it was prior to Donald Trump's tweet about crypto reserve. But anyhow, if you're looking at Pepe, it's down quite significantly right now, currently down about 19% to be exact, with the price currently sitting at 69.95, still 5 zeros in front of the price, down 10% in Bitcoin and about 5% in Ethereum. Comparative valuation dropping below 3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume remaining above a billion, to be exact, about $1.12 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the holder count, obviously that is increasing day in, day out. That is amazing to see. Of course, while there is a lot of bloodbath, a lot of uncertainty, you're still seeing the holder count increasing. So that is a big plus point. That is worthwhile noting. As far as the broader meme coin market is concerned, as you can see this for yourself, a double drop once again, and not a small one by any means. We are seeing a substantial pullback for the meme coin market. So again, I know people are very frustrated at this, but again, you can't control this. This is part of the game. This is what you need to understand, especially meme coins that don't bring any utility. But in terms of perspective of dollar cost averaging it, in terms of an opportunity standpoint, it's definitely there, because of course there's so much bloodbath across the board right now. And I'm sure if you have learned by now, during uncertain times, you are wanting to be doing your due diligence and research, because of course the people that are greedy around that time do tend to do good, because you don't want to be chasing green candles and the pumps. It's good to pick up while there is a lot of sale. But again, at the end of the day, obviously only time is going to tell as to what really happens. But in terms of Pepe is still ranked as the top third. Donald Trump's coin did come a little close over the last few days. The last few hours, but Pepe has really reclaimed its spot, and it's holding quite strong right now. But as far as dominance is concerned, of course, it's picking up right now, much more than where it was just on the 28th, and of course March 1st. So again, not a good sign for altcoins, and you don't want to see this number going up, because if it does and Bitcoin does drop further down, I think this could be more downside for the broader market. If you're looking at BTC, still holding within the 38.2, as to be expected, a lot of support around this range, but you don't really want to see the price dropping below this, because if it does, there's not much support below, so we could be actually going down to 80,000, potentially even retesting the wick that we saw back on the 23rd. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Pepe. So Pepe is doing exactly what we've discussed in the last update. So of course it went up to the likes of the 90.17 yesterday with the entire market. The entire market saw a bounce. So let's get that cleared up. And since then, we have dropped, of course, but we are actually going lower than February 28th level. So again, obviously that is telling you. Now I know a lot of people are going to be scratching their head right now looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's so much higher than February 28th drop, and so what's really causing this right here? Dominance. Literally simple as that. Not rocket science. You want to be paying very, very close attention to this, and this is the reason why we are lower than where we were just a few days back. But now, obviously, significant amount of support coming in our way. If this support does not hold, I really still do believe we could be in for the 63.22 retest. Even down to the likes of 59.41 is still on the table right now. So meme coins are looking bearish right now. Altcoins are looking bearish right now, especially with the way dominance is currently holding. If the dominance does not pull, guys, this is not a good sign, especially with the way BTC is currently looking. Because if Bitcoin, does not hold around this range and does indeed go down, I do expect, Pepe, to drop down to some of these levels, which would not be good. But for some people, I'm sure no one's really complaining. But again, at the end of the day, obviously, this is where your risk strategy comes into play. Do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose. At the end of the day, that's on you. But right now, these are some factors we need to consider, especially if we do see a double bottom. This could mean we could see a little bit more downside coming in the next few days to come. So let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal thoughts on Pepe? I love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.